Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I am very happy today because our team has created one more world record. I congratulate the entire team of NHAI, consultant and contractor Rajpath Infracom Private Limited from Pune on accomplishing this Guinness World Record. NHAI, on the occasion of the Azadi Ki Amrut Mahotsav announced by Honorable Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi ji, successfully completed a Guinness World Record by constructing 75-kilometer continuous bituminous concrete in single lane on NH 53 between Amravati to ANKOLA. Total time taken is 105 hours and 33 minutes. I once again congratulate all the engineers from NHAI, contractor Mr. Jagdish Kadam from Rajpath Infracom Private Limited, consultants, all the workers and the machine operators for achieving this world record. I look forward to see the work from Amravati to ANKOla is completed by the end of 2022.